Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off or customize action button on your iPhone Air. First, open Settings, then scroll down to Action Button menu and open it. As you can see, by default it will put your device into silent mode. In order to activate this feature, you have to hold down the action button for a couple of seconds and then hold it down for a couple more to turn this mode off. And if you want to change this feature in action button menu, you have to slide your screen either to the right or to the left to change the action button function. For example, let's select torch, and now whenever you hold down the action button, it will activate the flashlight, and holding it down once again will deactivate it. And if you want to turn this action button off, you have to swipe to the very right of the list and select no action. Now this button will perform no action when you press it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.